Cleopatra, we are going to play dress up with Aphrodite. It's going to be a catwalk. This is everything. We're going to see if we can get her to try on 10 outfits. Do you think it's possible?
Yes.
It's Aphrodite.
We'll see.
We'll see. Romeo said we'll reach 5. We'll see if we reach more.
I think she'll really like the dress up.
Like my mom's videos, make sure to subscribe and like and leave a comment.
She will. And the boys are going downstairs to watch a movie in the theatre. And we're playing catwalk with Aphrodite. Show what you gotta do.
Näin, kävellään. Tässä. Näin. Ja ympäri. 2. Sinä vuoro.
Right now we're supposed to be doing a fashion show and we picked the wrong outfit first. We went with breakdancing outfit. That's not a good idea because now she's trying to do a backspin. Good girl. Do you want to get up and do the catwalk now? She says, I'm not a catwalk girl. I'm gonna breakdance. Kävele. Walk this way. Come on. Come. Hyvä. Woohoo. Yeah, come on. Tule tänne. Tule. Ja nyt käänny takaisin. Mene takaisin.
Yeah.
Oh no!
Itkee.
Nee, se itkee. It's gonna cry if you throw it around.
Hello.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
I love you.
I know.
Minä rakastan sinua. Show me 2.
Okay.
Your favorite food is mung beans. What the? What the? What language does she know?
Japanese. Japanese.
It is crying, yes. Her little bunny is crying. This is the bunny here. See? Hello, bunny. Mwah.
Oyasumi nasai. Konbanwa. Arigato. Arigato gozaimasu. Gomen nasai.
She's doing pretty good. So she has got 2 languages as fluent as you can have when you're 2. She's got Finnish and English, but Cleopatra is teaching her
Korean, Japanese, and Chinese.
because her sister knows how to speak a bit of each language. Is that alright? Do not test her if you see her in the street. She does not want that. No, attack her. Did you have a lovely day? Happy birthday to you. Your turn. It's amazing how she knew what time it was without actually being told. Is it exactly past?
Yes.
Wow. Little Bambi is wearing a Bambi outfit. See, we have clothes with pictures on them. And the other piece of clothing that we have has another Bambi on it, or a few Bambis. We've got to get the boys some clothes with foxes, grey foxes. Okay.
And she has
time to-
one with butterflies on it.
And butterflies, yes. Okay, go and put her to bed.
Okay.
We have all finished eating here. We've cleaned up. But over here, we've got a little man who is still shoving down beans. He loves to eat them. Okay, this is the dirty boy. Are you patting the little, what is that called? Raccoon? Aphrodite, come here. We're gonna play hide and seek. Uksi, kaksi, kolme, neljä, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go and find them. Where are they? I could hear someone counting. Where are they? She usually counts when we're playing hide and seek. Where are they? Where are they? Oh, she found you! Oh, you're found also! Where's Jerusalem? There you are. I heard you say it was a bit hard to hide when you're that big, but she loves it anyway.
Never find Romeo.
Where's
Think you won't
Romeo?
find him.
How would you manage to hide in this area? Even though it's a big area, I don't think you can hide here. Yeah, Cleopatra, I can't see you at all. Aphrodite, she did find you.
Hey, Mr. Romeo.
Aphrodite. Losits and Cleopatra.
Hey.
Oh no, he nearly flipped the TV over. Chicken butt. Where's Shakespeare? King James, you gave it away again. You've got to let them hide. You should go and count up there, near the fireplace. Stop. Now, can you count in English? 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Where are they? Go look for them now. Oh, you found someone's through it. Okay. Well, I did limit the area that you could hide, so that's pretty well. Oh, and there's someone else. You are sticking within the area. I can see that, Cleopatra. King James, don't give yourself away. Where are they? Wow! You're hiding. Okay, so you use the tent to hide yourself. If you had stayed down... Oh! Look under here. He thinks you haven't found him because he's only 2. Yay! King James! That's a pretty good hiding spot. That could actually work. Where is Jerusalem? Oh, okay. Yep. Ooh, sorry viewers. That was loud. Why aren't you hiding?
I'm trying to.
It's like trying to, how would we put it? Hide an elephant in a tiny little space.
It's Aphrodite.
Aphrodite, where is she? Where is she? There you are!
It's a Shakespeare. Except pianos is Dyalla.
The 2 boys with the dreads. You've learned how to do his dreads and he has learned how to do your dreads. And now I don't have to do them anymore. Seriously, were there 2 people behind there? Wow, you got away with that. Look at this girl go down the stairs and she doesn't even hold on. She's 2 years old today. Yay! King James, you squeal like a girl. Don't do it. Aphrodite, you're having 3 birthdays. You're having, today we're doing all little special stuff for you today. We're doing a bit of filming, we're asking you questions about what you like and what you don't like, and we're telling all different things about you. And then we're going to hold another party with a cake and pinata and stuff. And then we're going to hold another one where we're going to invite some friends over. Laske, oi meikan kanssa. No! Don't be a cliffhanger.
She hasn't found me yet.
Misso and D'Artagnan. Omega, would you like to explain why nobody wants to sit next to you when it's time to eat? Does it taste good?
Yeah.
He usually goes for seconds and thirds. It tastes yummy. How did you get it on your forehead? He loves his food. I think he needs some more. That would be his 3rd lot of beans. But no one wants to sit next to him because he grabs and pulls dishes on the ground. He takes their spoons and forks and knives, steals their food, puts his dirty hands through their hair, colours their shirts with whatever he's wearing. Every single meal, he's totally covered. There's no point. I know, look at you, all clean there. You're all clean. And look at you. You're turning 1 in just about a week. Mega! You're so beautiful. Yes, you are. No, look at the camera. No! 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 That's it. No. Today we went and got him measured and his sister, and they both weigh exactly the same. His sister is 1 year older. So Aphrodite there is to yesterday, and Omega is turning 1 in just a few days. And you both weigh the same.
Me? My mom.
You are a big, big elephant. What is that noise? Oh, it came back out. Has he got food all over his face?
Yes.
In his eyes?
Yes.
In his hair?
Yes.
Do you want food in your hair? Why not?
Yeah, I want to pin that.
This is what he looks like when he hops out of the chair. Someone always has to go and have a shower with him. You're so cute. Yes, you are. Who's going in the shower today?
Romeo.
Romeo's turn.